Welcome to Module 7, Structuring the Proposal for Maximum Impact. In the competitive arena of bid management, even the most compelling solution can be undermined by a poorly structured and disorganized proposal. This module delves into the critical process of structuring your proposal, exploring the essential elements of effective proposal architecture. You will learn how to craft a document that is not only informative, but also persuasive and impactful, guiding the reader through the information, highlighting key messages, and building confidence in your solution. Module objectives. Participants will be able to design and organize proposals for maximum impact and logical flow. We'll learn to craft powerful and concise executive summaries. We'll master techniques for understanding and directly addressing client evaluation criteria. We'll be able to demonstrate a profound understanding of client needs and present solutions clearly. We'll learn to effectively highlight benefits and articulate a compelling value proposition. Logical flow and organization of proposal sections. The Architecture of Persuasion. Welcome to Lecture 7.1. The structural integrity of a proposal is paramount to its success. It serves as the architectural blueprint, guiding the evaluation team through the presented information and constructing a compelling case for your selection. Foundational principles of effective proposal architecture. A logically structured proposal enhances the reader's ability to absorb and process information efficiently. This is achieved by adopting a client-centric lens, prioritizing the client's perspective, and beginning with their challenges to ensure immediate relevance. Employing the problem-solution paradigm, articulating the client's pain points first, and then presenting your solution as the optimal resolution. Strict adherence to RFP alignment, structuring your proposal to mirror the RFP's requirements and evaluation criteria to ensure comprehensive coverage and facilitate evaluation. A framework for organizing proposal sections. While specific RFPs may dictate certain elements, this framework can be adapted to most bidding scenarios. Executive summary, a high-level synopsis at the forefront that succinctly encapsulates the client's needs, your solution, and key benefits. Introduction and understanding of needs, provides context and demonstrates a thorough understanding of the client's objectives and challenges. Proposed solution and technical approach, the core of the proposal, detailing your solution and the methodology for its delivery. Management approach and qualifications, showcases your team, management methodologies, and relevant past performance to build confidence. Commercial proposal, pricing and terms, transparently outlines the pricing structure and other commercial considerations. Legal and compliance, addresses all legal, regulatory, and contractual requirements. Appendices, a repository for supplementary information that supports the main body of the proposal without disrupting its flow. Key takeaways. The power of proposal structure. The logical flow and organization of proposal sections are fundamental to the proposal's effectiveness. A well-architected proposal guides the reader, highlights key messages, builds a persuasive argument, and ultimately increases the bidder's chances of success. By thoughtfully structuring each section, bid teams can create compelling and easily navigable documents that resonate with the evaluation team.